I'm currently standing outside of Condor Test Cell at Zucrow Laboratories, the largest academic propulsion laboratory in the world. In this cell, PSP Liquids is building a new liquid rocket engine testing facility that will support engines up to 2,500 pound force.
PSP Liquids has been building and launching record-breaking liquid propellant rockets for over 8 years, all the while preparing the next generation of engineers for amazing careers. Condor is our next giant leap.
This exciting new project will enable us to rapidly test propulsion systems at the forefront of collegiate liquid rocketry while providing undergraduate students unparalleled hands-on experiences.
We're currently running a crowdfunding campaign and we need your support to make this testing facility a reality. Every dollar that you donate will go directly towards funding the hardware that we need to test the most advanced engines in the field. To donate, go to crowdfunding.purdue.edu/PSP-L between now and March 18th. Thank you so much for your support.